Que pasa, Lad Dental Nation? In this video, I want to talk about a concerning trend that I have seen on TikTok and some of the other social media platforms, and that is the rise of veneer techs. So first and foremost, veneer techs are not a thing. You can be a dentist, you can be a hygienist, you can be an expanded function dental assistant. A veneer tech is not a classification. So, and how these certificates are being minted is they're just being printed from basically Microsoft Word. So you have influencers that are posting courses from anywhere from $2,500 to $10,000 to provide education to these individuals so they can provide veneers. What is just so scary about that is learning veneer prep in a weekend is impossible. Dentists go to 4 years of school for their understanding on how to prep teeth, do fillings, prep teeth, all of that. When you are shaving down healthy, natural enamel, things can really happen and they can happen quickly. So really want to just make this PSA for you guys at home. First and foremost, like with everything, if something sounds too good to be true, it is. If you're getting a full set of anterior veneers for less than $5,000, you're not getting what you're paying for. So, and even aesthetically, it might look okay right away, depending on your smile design. Naturally, some smiles are going to look better with the veneer aesthetic without a whole lot of manipulation or smile design transformation. But for you guys, for a lot of you guys, it is going to end up costing thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. If they over prep your teeth, you're going to need root canals or extractions. If they place veneers that have open margins, you're going to get bacteria in there that's going to cause decay and lead to, again, more root canals or extractions. And if that bacteria starts to eat away at your bone and you don't know it, now you can't even get implants. Now you're really going to hinder yourself on how to fill that void that is going to be caused by veneers placed by people that don't know what they're doing. So really be on the lookout. There are just so many scams that continue to happen online. All these cryptocurrencies, there's just so many people out there for themselves. And just always ask yourself at home, how is this person able to offer a full set of veneers for a couple $1,000s? The lab fee on that alone at a dental office is going to be more than a couple $1,000s. Your dentist isn't going to place veneers by paying the lab more than he's getting back from his patient. So just a little bit of insider baseball for you guys at home. When things sound too good to be true, there is a catch. Especially in today's cost basis environment, your average dentist is taking out $400,000 of student loan debt so he learns how to properly prep teeth. If somebody's learning how to do this in a weekend course, with the primary education being how do you then go and find people to put veneers on, that is a scary ride and one that I personally would avoid. So comment down below, let me know what jumps off the page at you guys, or even comment why you think the rise of just all of these scams post 2020 just continue to pop up. It is a frightening phenomenon. So comment down below, let me know what you guys are thinking, and have a great week, guys.